Hi everyone, this is my DFSK Glory 560 and this is my head unit. The standard head unit comes with the standard applications that you cannot modify or add any new application into the head unit. But with some tweaking, you can actually connect to the head unit and install new applications. For example, a new launcher, also with new applications that can integrate it into the launcher. This head unit is based on the KitKat Android, so some limited applications only available for the KitKat, but you can choose some standard applications that work with this head unit flawlessly and add some features to the head unit. If you're interested to do the same to your head unit, you can see in the video descriptions below. Goodbye.